Hi guys, so welcome to yet another Scandium tutorial. So in this particular tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how Scandium handles multiple tabs for you. So with Scandium, when you're recording or creating test cases that span across multiple tabs or windows, Scandium is going to handle it just fine. So when you open new tabs, it is going to do the same when running the test. Even when you close other tabs during your test creation, they are also going to be recognized and replayed. So let's get straight into it. Of course, to get started, go to app.getscandium.com, create an account if you don't already have one. Then come and create a new test by clicking on the button at the top here. So with that out of the way, I'm going to pick a starting URL to start with. So I'll provide one right here. So I'll put this URL somethingports.com. Then I'm going to click on my record button. So on clicking on the record button, the application under test opens up. Then you can see this. Now I want to click on a button that opens a link that opens a new tab. So I'll click on this. So you can see it opens up into a new separate tab. So I can even go back and then click on yet another link that opens up into a new tab, as you can see here. So now I'm going to do a couple of interactions and then close uh, one of the tabs and see how Scandium responds. So I'll click on this. So I'll do this. Then I'll close this tab and probably do one or two things here also. So come back to the main tab here. This is the tab where we started recording from, so we can still do interactions there also. But now I'm just going to end the recording by clicking on the stop button right here. So as we can see here, we can see a list of all the steps that we did. And particularly in this step where we closed the tab, we can see the closing action was actually recognized. So I'm just going to go on. So I'm going to delete these extra steps that I do not need, which came from the video recorder. So I'm going to come on to delete the selected steps. Okay, now I have my very basic steps. So you can see clicking on explore, clicking on FAQs, the subject, and so on. So now I'm going to rerun this test. So now our AUT is opened up again in a new tab. And then, yes, a new tab is opened up. And the second tab opened up also. And the extra activity is done. So at the moment when we closed that other tab, Scandium closes it also, and now all our test steps are done replaying. So as you can see here, so we can easily go back to our dashboard and just close this since we're done. So coming back, you can see a list of all of our steps, and then Scandium is able to open and close the tabs just like you did while you were recording. I hope you enjoyed this.